Okay na, okay na.
Opo.
What will you say, pa? Welcome to my channel.
Welcome to my channel.
Come on, I'm hungry na. I will help you na.
No, I can't, please.
Ako sa others. No, you, you break it na. Ay, natapon na kasi ano. See?
So big the gravy.
Loko.
I don't know where to do.
Ano ba yan? Wow!
I look so many.
Oh, how many count it? 1,
1, 2,
3,
3,
4, 5. Dami yan.
Mommy.
Cover na your
Super
face.
meal.
This is na your super meal, hiwa-hiwalay.
The?
This one. This is the super meal na. See, this is super dami. That's why it's super meal.
Enjoy.
Ah, Chara, say mo.
Chiwa.
Wow, parang
How's
yan.
yours?
Wow.
You love
It's so, yes. Subukin naman plate. You want to taste this? This is yummy po.
I don't like.
Why? Naku, cover your face.
Chiwa.
Chua. Chua, sabi mo. Let's put it down muna. You want to get na ng chicken?
Okay.
Wow! Ano chicken ang baby ko?
This one.
This is all bam-bam.
Will I check?
Walang wings. Sabi ko, wings eh. Ba't ganito na yung chicken nila? Hot yan na. That's hot. You did not pray pa po.
I'm hungry now.
You pray kahit na hungry ka.
Thank you, Lord,
For the
for
food.
the food.
Bless this food, Papa Jesus.
Bless this food for the Jesus.
Gotta be golden. Gotta be. Ano tayo? Oh! Why did you get na? Ng ganyan, ng peach mango.
Alright.
Ihalo mo mabuti yung spaghetti mo yung pa yung sauce. Sa kabila.
Okay, now this.
While we're eating, you tell mommy what happened to you in school.
I don't like.
Why? Ay, you don't have classes pala today.
I don't like to talk because I'm eating. Because baka look part that's why.
You don't have classes pala today. What did you watch with daddy kanina? What did you watch po with daddy?
I don't know.
Ha? What did you watch with daddy? Yummy ba yan? Thank you, Papa, this for the food. Chara, let's eat some. Because mommy's stressed, that's why we're doing a what?
Tissue.
We're doing a what? Ha? We're doing a what? Ang dami naman tissue nyo na. You want to taste this? Alabo. You want to taste this, my baby?
Hindi.
What?
Yum.
What did you watch with daddy kanina po?
I don't know. I don't know.
Well, I don't know. Did you watch what?
Opo.
O ano na-watch nyo?
I don't know because I don't know.
Pwede ba yun you don't know? Oh, it's not nice, that's why you don't know.
No. Too many.
How many hours did you watch?
Si Dolly.
What?
Si Dolly panood so many times. Si Ari, konti lang.
Can I taste your spaghetti?
Nung tapos na, look ay dadadada of agad.
Taste ko ah.
So big! Ano ba spaghetti?
Taste ko lang eh, oh. Konti lang.
So big!
So, damat naman this baby. Don't like na to taste your spaghetti. Yummy. You ask mommy question.
Mommy,
Mm.
1 plus 8.
What? What's the answer?
1 plus 8.
Mm.
9.
Very good ah. Ibang question naman. Question about life.
Hala.
Ano? Love you po. Tapos na agad may palabok. Can you share me your spaghetti?
No.
Dama. What do you want to be when you grow up?
A chef.
What will you cook?
Bread. Everything.
Bread lang? How about ulam?
Everything.
What's your favorite food ba?
Everything.
Hmm? It's not crunchy, the chicken. What happened there? No?
Lambot to KR.
See? No?
Opo, kasi.
It's not. Don't eat that. Parang KFC yung chicken ng Jollibee.
Kasi meron.
Don't eat that. Is that healthy, ano? Do you love mommy? Hmm? Hmm?
Opo.
How much do you love mommy?
8,084,084.
Dami. You ask me how much do I love you?
$500.
You ask me.
I know love my for me.
1. $1 trillion. Aray ko.
Ano?
Parang I like ketchup because that's too alat. The gravy's too salty. Oy! Huwag mong ginagawa. Sausaw ko lang konti. Do we have ketchup ba?
Look.
I will check. Tapos na agad may palabok.
Because you rush.
No.
You see me, I'm eating slowly. But I like
Yeah.
ketchup.
Yes, this is sweet. Wait lang.
No, it's strawberry.
Oh, see, that's super alat eh. Wala na naman na ketchup. Anak, konti lang. Where's my garlic? Roasted garlic. Don't have ketchup. No, we have ketchup. Alam ko eh. Diba?
It's the one niya.
Where's the ketchup ba yan?
I don't know. I don't talk to me.
Why?
Because talking baka mabulunan siya.
Ano ba yun? Ayun, sorry. Here you go.
Mami, sinagaro sa one plate. So dami it ni Ari.
This is bagito.
So, opo, tama.
Aray ko po. Aray ko. Wala nang laman.
Uubos ko like that one.
This one. Para utot. That's better. That's my question. Alright. One lang sa'yo ganyan, ha?
Who was telling mommy this?
No. Mommy will eat 5.
No?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Me too.
Huh?
No, 5 for you. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Put it there na.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can I have the other one?
Mamaya na you eat first. See? I love you po. Tapos, where na talk mo? I love you po. Yummy ba yan?
Mommy, can I have the last one?
You have pa oh. Parang yummy your spaghetti ah. Oh, daming sauce oh. Why? Can you share that to mommy? Why? Tutulong yung mango. One more. Joke lang. Mga treasure spaghetti pa. Na?
Konti lang.
Konti lang to. Ikaw naman eh. Damot naman ito eh. Yummy ah. This is not yummy, no? It's sobra alat. Mm. I will eat na your chicken.
Why you're so greedy?
I'm not greedy.
Just you eat all.
Ay, ito pala wings, anak. Wings pala this. I did not eat all. I'm just asking you if I can eat na your chicken.
When you're so greedy and greedy at all, I never always you eat something.
These wings. Parang everything is ano. Everything is bamba.
But you get the wings.
It's not wings pala. Is it wings?
Yummy the bum bum.
Hala! Give it bamba.
Look. Mmm.
Aray ko.
I have a fever.
No? Anak, super alat yan, ha?
Tapos papapon.
Ang dami yan. See?
Matigas this.
Ano isang dami? Kumain na, kakainin ko na yung ano mo. Bawal ito sa'yo dahil baby ka pa. Are you full? We don't have juice? No? Well, I want to eat by your spaghetti. Sabi sa si Mami. Ay! Ay, ito po. Yummy naman yan. Excuse me. Excuse me. Bakit mo ginagawa sa ano mo?
I don't like.
See? Kasi you cannot ubos in everything. Pati ko na bunawasan sa kanya.
I don't like my this hot dog.
I don't think na po if you don't like. What can you say about the food? Is it yummy? Is it all yummy?
Opo.
Is the chicken yummy? The spaghetti?
Opo.
This one? The peach mango?
Sobra. I have no.
Later na yung isa. Later na. Mamayang night ka na mag-eat again. Ang peach mango. Okay. This is for ano na? For Daddy and Tito JR. I will eat pa one. Because I'm not on a diet na po. Later na yung sa'yo. What? Busog ka na? See? Oh, don't eat na. Stop na. I will eat that na. The what? Hindi na ako mag-eat. Ito na lang kakainin ko. Anak, mabibigla yung tummy. Oh. Hindi ka na makakahinga yung kabusugan mo.
Mommy, another plate.
What?
Another plate.
Wag na. Put that na lang. Thank you, Lord.
Completely allergy ng plate and then share like a hector. Small and then like the ones with dirty hands.
Oh, Hector? Okay ka na?
Concolat.
What? Love you.
Concolat.
I love you.
Does your chili was dito?
No? Sa ibabay ka na. Bye-bye.
Anak, tapos pa.
Ay, yun, tapos. Ikaw na, nagkakagaling ka na.
What's this? Look.
Stop. Can I see your face kung we have the same face? Can I see? Ganon ka? Harap ka. Ay, iba! Again.
I push this in.
Again. Can I see kung same? Look, do we have the same eyes?
Apo.
No. Again, one by one. Eyes and oh. Do you have the same nose? Same na kay Daddy yung nose. How about mouth? Muso. Ah! I love you so much. Bigil ako sa'yo. I'm gonna bite you. I love you po, my baby boy. Oh, don't get that na. I will turn it off na ko, ha? Why? Tapos ka na eh. Yummy ba? Pop ba the spaghetti? Pop na pop? Ha? Is it pop na pop? Hi? How many points will you give sa Jollibee spaghetti? 1 to 10. How many points?
10.
How about the chicken?
844.
Dami naman. How about the peach mango pie?
6.
6. Say, finish na our mukbang.
No, this is finished pa.
Ano naman? I will eat na para finish na. Where's your daddy?
Home.
Huh? Where's your daddy? naman. It's mine na eh.
Tapos niya pa,
Bye.